This video snippet provides a quick showcase of a few of the usability line items that we implemented for Milestone 1 RAM 751. The first one I'd like to showcase is the relationship section in the asset packaging editor on the Rich client. I've started to create an asset here out of some of the files I have on my workspace, and there is an error here since the asset relationship constraint have not been satisfied yet. The relationship section now lists the constraint and allow me to quickly resolve it. I can also notice the range if a range is specified for the relationship, as well as the ability to add multiple related assets at a time. Another exciting improvement is the schema editor on the web. I believe that I could safely say that the pre-751 editor was not UI scalable, to say the least, but this one has made huge improvement in its usage. So as usual, it's fully Dojo based and it doesn't jump the pages. As you insert, move, nothing moves. You're always in context. You could drag and drop. You could add it in place. Sort. Pretty cool. The next area that we are tinkering with is to control the UI scalability as we render asset attributes on the detail page. You could now specify on an asset type which attributes are visible and which column they need to be rendered at. 2 columns at this time. Let me go to an implementation typed asset and check it out. Another cool thing is the way we handle the same asset grid by different version on a search. They could fly the result sets. Here come groupings. You will see the latest version as the root. On the notification front, the user could now configure the type of events and in what context they want these events to show up in their event feed. We will link these event feeds to our notification system, email notification system in future milestones. At this time, the feed is limited to 90 days. And if we go back to the feed view-let, we could further drill down to events in the context of that user, for assets that we allow to see, or to the asset itself. The last coolness that I'm going to show you from Milestone 1 is the added hover description for categories. We added them both on submit and on the asset details. Of course, that depends if you enter a description on those elements in the information model.